Going on, fans? Welcome to another video today on a happy Saturday. Sorry, I've got a day ahead of myself there. As you guys know, I'm really involved in Piggy Bank Machine. It's a project that I actually quite like. I've been trying to work out some numbers to help everybody, just to see where it would go, what the future holds for Piggy Bank Machine. And today, what I'm going to be talking about is the Piggy Garden. It's not version 2. So one of the things I said in my video previously was version 2 blah blah blah. It actually isn't. It's actually totally separate to the Piggy Bank Machine. The Piggy Garden has its own thing going on. It's really quite a fantastic little story here. But in saying that, let's first go through all the gardening, I like to call it. If you haven't followed me already, please jump on the channel, guys. Give me a quick sub. It doesn't cost you anything. Just a little click. Most of the content I have is really time sensitive, and normally a day or two later the content is not as valuable anymore. So that being said, taking care of the gardening, let's move forward. So as you guys know, I'm in Piggy Bank already. I'm going to connect my wallet here so you guys can already have a look at what's going on. Can't connect my wallet, can I? Huh, great. Okay, bad timing for that to happen. Sometimes this does tend to happen. It's happened to me a few times. Oh, I've got to log into my MetaMask. That's probably why. Guys can get to see this in real time. Lucky you can't see my password. Maybe I fucked it up. I probably did. Probably not the best thing to show everyone that, but anyway, we're in the BNB. I have 73 BNBs, you guys can see, and I have some BUSD, some Libero. As you guys know, I'm in Libero as well at the moment. Quite weird, huh? 990. Anyway, so let's have a look at the Piggy Bank Machine. Yeah. So the Piggy Bank Machine. Can I connect now? Nope, cannot. Okay, something's happening here. Oh, look, there you go. Okay, so I'm connected right now. Okay, great. There you go. So maybe I should have connected before I jumped on this podcast, but who cares? So the price now has gone up to 92 cents. Now, if you guys have been following my videos of the Piggy Bank Machine, so we just need to go back here to the very first video I did, which is 5 days ago. Yeah, so this is 5 days ago. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Today would be day 5 or day 6. I think it's day 1, day 3, day 5. So today would be, this is day 5 here actually. So today would be day 6. Let's just check, quick look here. 10x of investment, putting, oh yeah, day 5 there. So today is day 6. I like to do it every 2 days, but I decided to do a separate one today because I wanted to cover the Piggy Garden, yeah? So let's just go back to that. I'm sorry, I'm a bit all over the place, guys. My sincere apologies, yeah? So you can see I've completed the challenges. I've got one referral, yes. Once again, I'll put my referral code down there. You guys can use it if you want, if it helps you out. I know it's always good to get some referrals. So I'm getting 4 piggies a day, which I've already got. I've got 69 piggies in total. I did get given a few piggies from these guys for doing one of the challenges in the videos. So they gave me 50 piggies for that. So I've got 69 piggies. So with the 4, it'll take me 73. End of the weekend, 778. By next week, I've got my 100 piggies already, and this should be at 100, less the taxes when I draw it out. By end of next week, I think I should be breaking even, which would be a 14-day turnaround. So in 14 days, I should be breaking even on this. Now, if you think about it, in a mathematical way, yeah, I'm getting 4% here, but I'll be getting 6% over here, which is quite a lot. Yeah, so every single day I'll be getting 6%. Now, if you have a calculator, let's just go to online calculator, and we try and work this out. Yeah, so you put $1,000 into this. I didn't obviously, but I think $1,000 is the right around amount. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. This is just my journey, and I'm just documenting it for you guys, so you guys can make your own decision. Please do your own research. All these projects I get into are probably quite high risk, I'd imagine. They're like out of 1 to 10, I'd say like more of a 8 to 10 kind of thing. And obviously you don't know what's going to happen the next day, right? So anyway, so imagine you put in 1,000, then you're getting, times it by, you're getting 4 every single day. 4, let's go with the 4, yeah? Oops. 4 every day. So 4 times 30 days, you're getting, oh God, why am I so useless at this? You're getting 4 every day, times that by 30 days. You're getting 120 every day. Now, if you put in 1,000, you're getting 40 every day, yeah? Now, 40 times 30 equals 1,200. You're getting 1,200. That's on the lower scale, yeah? Now, you multiply that by 0.9 2, which is current price of Piggy. You're getting your money back every single month plus a bit more, yeah? And then you're free rolling the whole way through. So that's just to give you an idea of how it works. So, okay, so let's jump back into... Let's just jump into the Piggy Garden now, yeah? So I've talked about the piggy bank machine already. You've seen what I have at the moment. I could probably approve this and put it over here, and we're good to go. But, yeah, Piggy price going up 92 cents. Great. Waiting for the 1-to-1, which will happen some stage next week, which will be fantastic. So, okay. So let's go to the Piggy Calculate. Let's go to the Piggy Garden. So the Piggy Garden is like more animated, more fun. You can see like you can earn up to 3% yield per day. Yeah. You can raise your own piggies. You're using USC and you're using BNB. There was a whitelist for this on the group, but the whitelist I think has finished already. So people have already will be buying in, and it goes live I think tomorrow, which is the 20th, if I'm correct. I'm pretty sure it's the 20th it goes live. So when it goes live, you can stake your piggies in here. So how to get started? Old MacDonald has a farm. Yeah. You know it, but the rest, the real prizes are forced him to recreate to his new garden. In this garden, he wants to raise a fine stock of piggies to get some tasty bacon. There was no some, but I added that in. Each pig all McDonald raises yields delicious bacon, which should be sold for the Piggy Garden, which is TPC. Once you raise the piggy, it will get fatter and fatter and bring you a daily passive income of bacon. The bacon you receive will be used to raise more piggies and compound your earnings to be sold. To get started with this game, after you've bought the TPG and Pancake Swap, so you've got to go to Pancake Swap to buy it, fill in how many TPG worth of piggies you want to raise and click Raise Piggies. That's pretty simple and easy. Then it says the yield earning has been started, and your piggies will start eating and earning TPG for you right away. So that's really great, yeah. And the animation should show that as well. From now on, you can raise your piggies strolling around in the fenced area. Your biggest prize pig will be there for you to see. I like it. I like where this is going. So sustainability. The pig. Well, let's go back up here first, yeah? So you can put everything you can see, it's all up here, and you can sell it. How do you partner? So use bacon probably means stake it, I imagine, yeah? So you can get the 6%, the ideation might be the same, yeah? How do you partner? Welcome to the Piggy Garden. As soon as you raise your piggies, you can then jump around happily and watch them grow into the fine bacon for you. The Piggy Garden is sustained by the continued trust and support of the community, just like the other crypto coins, token, or project. The main difference is that the Piggy Garden contains measures to discourage investors into dumping the coins on the market to crash the price, and even so, the opposite side rewards the investment of a yield with an interest rate of 3%. The Piggy Garden contract is public, verified, and can be viewed, so you can go and view the thing anytime you want, guys. So let's just have a quick look at the white paper. I think this will be quite interesting to read. I have read this before, by the way, guys. So I'm not just diving into it. Loving those graphics. The Piggy Garden. Okay, the Piggy Paradise set of DeFi games on the Binance. So as you guys know, this is on the Binance. So BUSD does come in play. A great success of Piggy Bank Machine. Old MacDonald is the second DeFi game in the Piggy Paradise, and it is a fork of the famous Fisherman Joe game by the Garden. Old MacDonald runs the piggies. We know you bought the TPG. You can participate in the Old MacDonald game. Look, I put some money aside already, so I definitely will be jumping into this, guys. Again, not financial advice here. Please do your own research. How to get started? We've just been through that. Fill in the TP with the biggest you want to raise and raise piggies. The yield earning has begun to start, and your piggies will start eating and earning TPG for you right there. From then on, you can see how many piggies stroll around in the fenced area in your UI. Your biggest prize pig will be there for you to see. Here's the tokenomics. The Piggy Garden is the core. TPG is the core token of our game. Contract address is okay. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. There's a total of 100 million TPG. 10% TPG will be used for development. 9% will be used for partnerships with ecological construction, including marketing, promotional activities, and liquidity management. 81% will be allocated to the TPG community members. There's a buy fee of 10% and there's a sell fee of 10%. Look, I really like that it's so low compared to some of the other ones I'm in. I think that's fantastic. I love the fees, yeah. The fees make me really happy. We'll be doing our pre-sale, so that's already done and gone. This is all done and gone. You'll contain and contribute your soft cap, hard cap. I think they reached the hard cap for that. I'm pretty sure they did. Pre-sale, I'm not going to go into that too much, guys, because there's no point in it. It's already happened. We are planning and implementing a mechanism for the piggy bank holders to exchange their piggy tokens for TPG from time to time. This will help to take sell pressure off the piggy bank machine, and that's really good. Yeah. So at some stage, my PBM machine tokens can be brought over here, burn them and bring them over here. I think there will be something in the future, hopefully. How is Piggy Paradise organized? Piggy Paradise is a decentralized working hub for people with a vision to come together and build the future of global finance. Again, no matter your nationality, sex, or views, by investing in Piggy Bank, you're investing in the idea that a group of highly technical individuals can safely, securely, and creatively leapfrog the dinosaurs of traditional finance, the era of decentralized finance. We all love that. I know we do. Let's go to the next one. Okay. The team and the goals, personalities get in the way of pretties. Yeah, the anonymous. Okay, fine. Look, if you jumped into the Telegram group, right, and I advise you to do, I seriously advise you to do that. They have the piggy, these guys here are really, really, it's a really good group. I mean, I'm really enjoying my time over there. You know, the mods are quite good as well. And then there's Piggy Garden as well. Make it all about the piggies. So yeah, overall, it's all really good. It is a project I'm into already, so I'll definitely be going further with it. Please do your own research if you're going to jump into it, and if you guys don't mind, I will link my referral code in the comments, and you guys can just follow that if you want to invest into any of these two bad boys over here. So that being said, don't forget to give the sub, guys. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out a lot, guys. Sub is everything for me. You know, it helps my channel. It helps it grow, and I really want to grow. Yeah, I'm at 122 already, and I'm beyond words to the people who have been subbing. Thank you so much. Yeah, hoping to hit that 500 next, and then go from there. So anyway, guys, have a happy Saturday, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Ching ching.